Hey guys, what's going on? I'm going to show you something really quick. An awesome tool to get all this grime off your GrillGrate panels. That is the sidearm from mgrills, mgrills.com. It's all stainless steel, designed to fit down into the grooves. So the way we like to clean it is first take you some Pam spray. Alright, and I just like to get them wet. Now we're going to take our tool, we're going to go around the middle panel, kick it back at an angle, we'll slide it back and forth a few times, and then we're going to lift it straight up, and then it's going to scrape the bottom. And then we'll go to the next panel. Angle, bottom, that one was pretty clean, this one's pretty dirty. Angle, that cleans the top, straight up cleans the bottom. And then any of the ones that are on this little spline right here, you only hang it over one side, hang this over one side. Don't try to go over both. Okay, this one hang over one side, hang over one side. And we're good. Now the rest of that, all the thick stuff is off. You can see right there, we got all the thick, crunchy stuff. Now the rest is just taking a paper towel and just wiping down in the channels. And that's it. That's the sidearm with the nifty bottle opener, mgrills.com.